We all want to eat well, but with so many choices, knowing what foods are best for us can be confusing. The Australian Dietary Guidelines recommend eating more fruit, vegetables and grains, like those found in cereal and wholemeal bread. They also recommend lean meats, poultry, eggs, nuts, seeds and mostly low-fat dairy, milk, yogurt and cheese, or their alternatives. And we should be eating less sugar, salt and saturated fats. But sometimes foods we think are healthy have more sugar, salt and fat than we know. That's where the Health Star Rating system can help. The Health Star Rating makes it easy for you to compare similar foods so you can make healthier choices. The higher the star rating, the healthier. You'll mainly see the Health Star Rating on the front of foods that are packaged in packets, cans, cartons or containers. The Health Star Rating lets you compare similar foods to see which ones are better for you. Those that have more stars on the front are healthier. Always compare the stars on foods that are similar, not different. That way you're comparing apples with apples, or in this case, yogurts with yogurts. Remember, you may not see the health stars on fresh fruit and veg, but they automatically score 5 stars. Of course, lots of frozen and canned fruit and veg also get 5 stars. Look out for 5 stars on their packages. Health Star Ratings use strict calculations and are easy to spot, so they can help you and your mob make better choices. And best of all, more stars don't necessarily mean more cost, so it could be a good choice for you and your wallet. Keep an eye out for the health stars when you're next shopping. And remember, the more stars, the healthier. Visit healthstarrating.gov.au.